Welcome to TechFuzzle. In the last lesson, we talked about HTML, and now we're going to talk about CSS. So, CSS is cascading style sheet. Cascading means falling, and style sheet means styling. And falling means falling of style sheets one on another. So, let's see. If you haven't seen the last lesson of HTML, you should see link is in description. And this is the first web page that we created. This is empty, just we have title here. Now we're going to add some CSS to it. There are three types of CSS: internal, external, and inline. Firstly, we're going to talk about internal CSS. Let's add color to the body. First of all, we're going to add style tag, and we'll write body, then curly braces, background color, let's say red, now let's hit save and refresh. You can see the background color is red now. So this is internal CSS. We will comment this out for our reference. Comments are never shown in the website, it's just for our reference. We can comment by pressing on control and /. Now let's add heading h1 to our website, and we're going to add inline CSS to it. Let's style our heading. We'll add color to our heading. Style, color, let's say yellow, and let's add text hello world. Let's hit save and refresh. See, you can see that internal inline CSS. We'll comment it out as well. Now we're going to talk about external CSS. External is very much clear with the name that it's out of that page, like out of this file. External means which is not included inside. So first of all, we're going to create CSS folder in our website folder, and we'll add new file to that CSS, styles.css. Do not forget .css extension, so that our system can identify the type of file. So let's change the color of body. I want the color of body to be blue. So let's hit save and let's refresh. There is no change. Why this happened? Why there is no change? Because these index.html and style.css is not linked. Let's link it by adding link tag in head. So it's in our computer, it's in our PC, so we have to put the location of it. It's in CSS, styles.css, name of the file, and let's hit save. Let's refresh. Still there is no change. Why? Because there is the presence of internal CSS. There is a priority order. Inline is first priority, internal is second priority, and external is third priority. And if I comment, let's comment this for our reference. If I comment out the internal CSS and now I go to my browser and refresh, you can see the color is changed because we have commented internal CSS. So we have compared internal and external CSS. Let's compare internal and inline CSS. Let's uncomment it and let us add some style to our h1 in internal CSS. So we'll write h1 and open the curly braces. Here we're gonna add color. Let's say white, because red will not be visible, so white. Yeah, so let's hit save and refresh. There is no change, but just external CSS is changed because internal CSS is uncommented now, but there is no change in h1 because inline CSS is still there and we know the priority order. If we delete the inline CSS, let's delete the inline CSS and hit save. Let's refresh. We can see the changes. So stay tuned for next lesson. We'll be adding more to our website.